All right, this is the Purple Cobras with Mustafa, Eric, Andrew, Renton, and Omid. Renton is the speaker. And we did our project on universities in Virginia, Maryland, and D.C. And we used the U.S. News report for our source and Tableau as our instrument of choice. And we also had part of the assignment was to create a website, so we used Dreamweaver and HTML. The learning process, we had to gather all the information for each of the colleges. We picked 10 colleges from the Maryland, D.C., and Virginia, and also included George Mason. And then we used Tableau to visualize the data, and we had to code the website with Dreamweaver. The solutions for dilemmas. To gather the information, one of us actually had a subscription to the U.S. News with membership and everything, and we went through all that to gather all the information we needed for our database, and we organized the data into Excel and inputted that information into Tableau, and then another one of the members coded the HTML in Dreamweaver for some nasty visuals. Tableau was really easy to use. I mean, all you really gotta do is put an Excel sheet and put it in there, and it uploads it to the internet for you. And it also gives you all the tools to add it to the website. And it lets us separate the data into different areas. That way it's easy to single out what you want to look for. This is the first sketch of our website that we came up with. And you can see the final product here in a second. So this is a demo of the website. Open up Chrome. This is what a home page. The question asks us just to come up with a design for the website, not as a proposal, not as a whole website. So this is what the home page would look like. Profile, where you could log in and pick up the profile to see what colleges you want to do for Virginia, D.C., or Maryland. News of college tuition, scholarships available for these types of colleges. Help with creating a profile and troubleshooting. And then the main source of it is comparing colleges. And you go here to select your colleges. This is just a design. This actually isn't working, but it's a design as it would work to do. And this is actually the code from Tableau inputted into the website itself. And this actually works. So right here you see the average financial aid for each of these colleges. James Madison having the lowest and Georgetown having the highest. And you see George Mason is in the middle of the pack. And then all you gotta do is click over and tuition pops up. And George Washington University has the highest tuition. James Madison is not the lowest now. Towson is the lowest for tuition. And George Mason pretty much stays in the middle of the pack. And if you click Show History, it'll come through and actually show. Well, you gotta go back. Oh, it's not working. Oh, yeah, you actually have to click. So we'll click on George Mason. And there you go. You get to see both at once. You actually have to click on the college itself. Each one individually does that. And then it works just like you would with Tableau. You can refresh it to get everything back to where it was. And if you want to tweet it or add it to Facebook, there you go right there. And you can download it in whatever format data, crosstab, PDF. Back over to our slideshow. It's the end of the demo. And that's it. Any questions?